Many Mississippians love to hunt and are thankful for the high population of white-tailed deer. As deer season kicks into full swing, check out this creative food factor recipe for venison done right. You may have heard that venison tastes too gamey, but more than likely, the meat just wasn't prepared correctly. To prevent unwanted wild taste in venison, carefully trim any fat or connective tissues from the meat and soak it overnight in salt water or an acidic-based marinade. Now you're ready to incorporate this healthy lean meat into traditional family meals. For instance, try replacing the beef portion of beef stroganoff with thin cuts of venison. Venison stroganoff can taste just as good and be healthier for you, especially when the recipe calls for whole wheat egg noodles, chopped shallots, and shiitake mushrooms, paired with a side of steamed broccoli. Now that's a healthy dinner the whole family can get excited about. For more delicious venison recipes, check out our Mississippi State University Extension Service Pinterest board. It's time to make healthy food a factor in your life.